summer. Southern Pacific. Goodness, a freight truck. Hi.
Hi, this is a train museum of Santa Fe 3759.
Santa Fe 3759. He's here. What's now?
Make a video.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow is Santa Fe 3759. Alright, we have Santa Fe 3759. It's a train bell. What's this? See, it's ringing. But we need still more. Lots of wheels. Yes, 4 wheels, 8 wheels, and 4 wheels. 484 Santa Fe 3759. We got smokestack. Number. A whistle, a cab, please check. Engineer's cab. We have here a tender. Also Santa Fe 3759. What is Santa Fe 3759? It's also a train with Cajun Pass, and you can see the Union Pacific Anaheim. Here's this one. I think that's not good. I need to call. Thank you for watching. Don't forget clicking the subscribe button and see you next time. Goodbye.